The mayor of the city of Manila, Justo Lukban, for the best of all reason to exterminate vice, ordered the segregated district for the women of ill repute, which have been permitted for a number of years in the city of Manila, closed. Between October 16 and October 25, 1918, the women were kept confined to their houses in the district by the police. Presumably, during this period, the city authorities quietly perfected agreements with the Bureau of Labor for sending the women to Davao, Mindanao as laborers, with some government office for the use of Coast Guard, cutters, corregidor, and negros, and with the constabulary for a guard of soldiers. At any rate, about midnight of October 25, the police, acting pursuant to orders from the Chief of Police, Anton Human, and the Mayor of the City of Manila, Justo Lukban, decided upon the houses, hoisted some 170 inmates into patrol wagons and placed them aboard the steamers that awaited their arrival. The women were given no opportunity to collect their belongings and apparently were under the impressions that they were being taken to a police station for an investigation. They have no knowledge that they were destined for a life in Mindanao. They had not been asked if they wished to depart from the region and had neither directly nor indirectly given their consent to the deportation. The involuntary guests were received on board the steamers by a representative of a Bureau of Labor and the detachment of constabulary soldiers. The two steamers with their unwilling passengers sailed to Davao during the night of October 25. The vessels reached their destination at Davao on October 29. The women were landed and received by four as laborer by Francisco Sales, provincial governor of Davao, and by Felicio Inigo. The governor and the hacendero Inigo who appeared as parties in the case, had no previous notification that the women were prostitutes who had been expelled from the city of Manila. Lukban committed a grave abuse of discretion by deporting the prostitutes to a new domicile against their will. There is no law expressly authorizing his action. On the contrary, there is a law punishing public officials not expressly authorized by law or regulation who compels any reason to change his residence. Furthermore, the prostitutes are still as citizens of Philippines entitled to the same rights as stipulated in the Bills of Rights as every other citizens. The Supreme Court said that the women were not chattels but Philippine citizens who had the fundamental rights not to be forced to change their place of residence.